How to reactivate your Facebook account from your phone. If you've deactivated your Facebook account and want to begin using it again, it's really simple to reactivate it. All you have to do is open up your Facebook app on your phone and log into your account that you deactivated. If your account information has been saved, you can click your account icon from the Facebook app's login page, or you can select login to another account. Then enter the email associated with your account and its password. If you don't remember the password that you used, you can select Forgot Password to reset your password. Once you have your details entered, select Login. Your Facebook account has now been reactivated and you can begin using it once again. And that's how to reactivate your Facebook account from your phone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.